Hello class 5. Welcome back to our English class. Today in English class let us learn a poem. The name of the poem is Farmer's Friend. Before starting the poem, let us read the glossary. The word filth means dirt, ugly. The word plows means tills. The word humble means not proud. The word toils means to work extremely hard. The word harm means making physical injury. Let us read the poem. Farmer's friend, often seen as filth, but gives the soil good health. To reward the farmer with wealth, plows the soil before farmer. Use not the chemicals to harm her. Please praise our motherland's armor. Children, let me explain the stanza. The poet says, the earthworm, the worm, is a farmer's friend. It is often called as farmer's friend, right? We see them so filthy, dirty, but it gives the soil good health. The waste what comes from the earthworm is a good manure for the soil. To reward the farmer with wealth, why does it does so? So that the farmer will get more production and he will become more rich. He will get good amount of production, right? The next stanza says, plows the soil before the farmer. What is the meaning of plow? Plow means to till the farm. So, to start growing the production or to start growing the crop, the farmer will first plow the soil so that he will loosen the soil and then he can put the seeds and so the seeds will germinate. So, this activity is done by the earthworm before the farmer does. We have seen, right? The earthworm will move inside the soil, hide itself inside the soil. That's how it plows the soil before the farmer does. So, the poet says, do not use the chemicals to harm them because they are our land's armor. They are our land's protection. Let us read the next stanza. Shy to show his looks, toils often on fishing hooks, to give the fisher something to cook. Be humble like a worm, think no one to harm. You will be free to spread your charm. Let me explain the stanza. Children, here the poet says, the earthworm looks so ugly and so it is shy of itself and so it is hiding under the soil. Have you seen earthworm outside the soil? No, most of the time it's under the soil, trying to hide itself because of its ugliness. And it keeps toiling often on the fishing hooks. No, the fishers use the earthworms to as a bait to catch fish, and so out of it, it's giving something to eat for the fishers. So the poet says, so always be humble like a worm. Humble, very humble you should be. Okay, you should be kind, humble to everybody. Think no one to be harmed, so you should never harm anyone, and you will be free to spread your charm. If you're very humble and very kind and a good person, definitely you will also spread happiness everywhere. So, the moral from this earthworm is we learn that we should be humble, helpful, and friendly to everyone. Thank you for watching, children. Happy learning. Have a great day.